Hi, hello there, and welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to go through an algebra topic test. So let's jump on in. So the first questions, you can see they're pretty much just function questions. So you're inputting a number and then just following along. So let's jump on in. Just going to zoom in a bit here. Cool. Here we go. So first bit, heading. So this is an algebra topic test. And we did this on the 11th of the 5th. I used my new blue highlighter because blue is the best color. And here we go. Question 1. We're going to do 11 take away 4, which gives us 7. 7 plus 2 gives us 9. So z is equal to 9. Question 2. 4 take away 3, then times it by 2. So 4 take away 3 is 1, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So y is equal to 2. Question 3. That didn't work, so I'm just going to give the Desmos. Let's zoom in there so you guys can see that. So incomplete number, so 0 plus 6 would be 6. And then you have a couple of options there with 5. So it's going to be timesing by 5 because 6 5s. So question 3 is going to be times by 5. Question 4. I think the Desmos didn't work out as well again. So we've got an incomplete number machine. So 8 times something. And then we go times it by 5 to get 1. So we want that to be 1. Because 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. And then to get to 1, we need to do 8 divided by 8. That's what question 4 is. So divide by 8. Question 5. We can get back off that. X squared when x equals 3. Pretty easy one. So we go x squared is equal to 3 squared, which equals 9. Question 6. Z take away 5 when z equals 2. So I'm going to sub it in 2 minus 5, which then equals negative 3. Question 7. Y divided by 9. So we're going to go 36 divided by 9, which then gives us 4. Question 8. 40 divided by 10. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to go 40 divided by 10. Just equals 4. Question 9. X times 3 minus 18. So we've got 8 times 3 minus 18. So that gives us 24 minus 18. Which then just equals 6. Question 10. 20 divided by 5 plus 13. So we've got 20 divided by 5 plus 13. So 20 divided by 5 just equals 4 plus 13, which then equals 17. Question 11. 9 lots of 7p plus 2. So 9 lots of 7p plus 2. So we expand the brackets. So 9 times 7 gives us 63p. 9 times 2 gives us plus 18. Question 12. 8p plus 5p. 8 lots of p plus 5. Y. So first step, we write the bracket thing down. So I'm going to go 8 lots of p plus 5y. 8 times p gives us 8p. 8 times 5 gives us plus 50y. 13. minus 4 lots of 2p plus 7 gives us minus 8p. 7 fours are 28. Question 14. 4x minus x plus 6 minus bracket x plus 6 gives us 4x minus x minus 6 gives us 3x minus 6. So when you do the negative there, it's the same as if you had negative 1 out the front. It's another trick to get your head around it. You're stuck on that one. Question 15. I got 5x bracket 5x plus 3p. So that gives us 25x squared. So 5 5s are 25. X times x gives you x squared. And then we've got a plus. 5 times 3 gives you 15. And I'm going to put in alphabetical order, px. Question 16. So we've got 5x cubed, 5x squared minus 4. So 5 5s are 25. And then x cubed times x squared gives you x to the power of 5. Then a positive and negative makes a negative. 5 times 4 gives me 20. And then x cubed. Question 17. 5 lots of x plus 3. Same trick here. When we've got a minus there, it's minus 1. So it's not 5 times all this. It's just minus lots of each of the different terms inside of it. So it's really important that when we see the minus outside the front of the bracket, it's that times each of those individual things. Another way of thinking, it's minus 1 times each one of those. So I would leave the 5, and then minus 1 times x gives me minus x. Minus 1 times positive 3 gives me minus 3. And then I always put the variables first, so minus x minus 2. Question 18. A little bit harder. So you have 4 lots of 2 minus 5x plus 3 lots of 2x plus 3. So we go through and expand it. So 4 times 2 gives me 8 minus 20x plus 3 times that gives me plus 6x plus 9. Then I group like terms. So minus 20 plus 6 gives me minus 14x. And then 6 plus 9 gives me plus 17. Cool. It's question 19, a little bit harder. So we've got triple bracket, triple value inside there. So we've got question 19. We're going 3w times w minus 4z plus 6 minus 4w times z minus 6. So if we go through and expand it, 3w times that gives me 3w squared. Gives me minus 12 wz plus 18 w's. Then we get minus 8w z plus 24 w's. Only thing that's in common is this one here, so 18w and the 24w. Then we can rewrite it. The powers I always write first, so it's 3w squared. Oh no, there's a wz as well, sorry. And then we got wz's here, so we got 18. Sorry, that should just be 4wz, my bad. So we've got minus 12wz, minus 4wz, so that gives us minus 16wz. So they're handled, so that's done, that's done, that's done. And then we've also got the 18w and the 24. So 18 plus 24 gives us what, 42? So then plus 42W. A little bit of a tongue twister on that one. Right. And then question 20, a little bit harder again. Here we go. So we'll go x to the power of 4, y, z to the power of 2, 2x, y cubed, z squared, minus 3x, 5, y squared. So we go through and expand this. So we're just going to get 2 out the front. X to the power of 4 times x gives x to the power of 5. Y times y to the power of 3 gives us y to the power of 4. And then z squared times z squared gives us z to the power of 4. And then minus 3 lots. X to the power of 4 times x to the power of 5 gives us x to the power of 9. And then we've got a y times y to the power of 2, which gives us y to the power of 3. And then just the z squared on the end. And that's it, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Cool. So hopefully that's giving you some pretty good insights on how to do the algebra topic test. It's covered all the basic concepts of substitution and then also just simple brackets with one value opening it up. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe down below, as it does help with the YouTube algorithm, and also enable those notifications so that you can see new content as it comes out. That's it for me. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time on Steam It with Steve. Adios.